It's a famous Buddhist quote that is, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. This quote for me is very real. I've seen how my mindset had shaped the life that I live today. So, from a humble beginning, from a small store, the store in Olongapo, and right now I enjoy so many things. So, leading a successful business, raising my two kids, providing for my mom, and giving my kids a comfortable life, started first always with the thought